Everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use a Talkin language and chat application. So you need to create your account. So you can see here, this is the home page. You can see all the people post in your timeline. So recently this is for you, and this is recently. And how to post: if you want to post, then simply tap here. Then you can post, you can upload your photos through this here. You can current location, and this is follow. Like if you follow someone, then you'll find them here, cultured secret. And this is the thing, this is the people. You can find people here. So if you like anyone, then you can send the message here, say something nice. So actually this way you can make a friend as anonymous. And this is the message button. This is the party room. Like you can join other room, it's called a room. People are talking here, so you can join room, or you can create your own room. You can see here. So this is the, you can create on room, then people come or join in your room. So you can see here, it's a title. You can select the language, the background, and then start voice chat. So this is the thing, and this is the learning categories. You can learn, you can take course, different course here. You can read books, you can watch videos and learn. And this is your profile, like profile, so you can customize your profile. So that's it. And if you want to become a VIP member, simply tap the VIP button, then you can become VIP member. Then you will get all the exclusive access. So actually this way you can use Talkin app.